So in this problem, it's given which of the following options correctly determines the ordinate of the endpoints of a line segment with length of 10 units. If its abscissa is 10 units, abscissa means the x-coordinate is 10 units, and the other endpoint has a coordinate 2, -3. That means, simply put, we have a straight line. Let's say one of the coordinates of the endpoint of the line is going to be 2, -3. The other one, let it be point B, and it has the abscissa given by 10 units. Now we need to find out its ordinate. The ordinate, we're going to consider it to be y. Okay, and it's also given that the distance between the 2 points A and B, that's going to be 10 units. It's a very simple problem. All we have to do is use the distance formula. So it's specified here, given 2 points A and B, whose coordinates are known. Then the distance between the 2 points, which is a straight line, is simply given by, we take the square root. Underneath the square root, first we take the square of the difference of the x coordinate and then add it to square of the difference of the y coordinate. Let us begin. So we now have AB that will be given by, we take the square root. Underneath the square root, first we'll have to take the difference of the x coordinate. So let's start with B. So we'll do B minus A, meaning we'll start with the x coordinate of B, so that's 10, and from it subtract the x coordinate of A, so that's 2. So 10 minus 2 whole squared. This will be added to difference of the y coordinate. So we'll start with the y coordinate of B, so that's simply y, and from it subtract the y coordinate of A, so that's -3. So we have negative of -3, making it +3. So square it. Now AB, that's given here that this is 10. So we have 10 equals to, so 10 minus 2 whole square. So that's 8. 8 squared is 64. Let's expand y plus 3 whole square. We get y squared plus 6y plus 9. Now we'll get rid of the square root by squaring both sides to get 100. So square of 10 is 100. That's equals to y squared plus 6y. So 64 plus 9, that's going to be 73. Fine. Now we have y squared plus 6y plus 73 minus 100. So that's equals to 0. So we get y squared plus 6y minus 27, that's equals to 0. So we can use the method of factorization to split the middle term. So we have 9y minus 3y, negative 27 equals to 0. So we get y times y plus 9 minus 3 times y plus 9 equals to 0. This is going to give us two values, y minus 3 times y plus 9 equals to 0, which is simply y equals to 3 or -9. So that means option number A, that's going to be the correct value.